Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Bluetooth Controlled Data Logger Robo, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see this project working in action. When the command F is given, the DC motors rotate forward. Similarly, when B is given, they rotate backward. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. We notice when the command R is given, only the right motor rotates, whereas when L is given, only the left motor rotates. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about when you are working on it. Let's start. Here we demonstrate how the robo can be controlled with a smartphone using Bluetooth through an Android app. This robo can monitor ambient parameters in a field. Coming to components, the Bluetooth HC05 module should be downloaded and paired with the Bluetooth terminal on the smartphone. Commands can then be sent to control the robo. To the Arduino board, the soil moisture sensor, DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, and LDR sensor are connected. The Arduino board reads the values from the sensors like humidity, temperature, light, and moisture level. The motor driver L293D provides current for the DC motors to rotate and make the robo move. The servo motor moves the soil sensor up and down to make sure it properly is inserted into the soil. This Bluetooth controlled data logger robo can be modified to detect carbon dioxide, methane, LPG gas by equipping it with MQ2, MQ3 or similar gas sensors. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL given below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel to receive alerts when we publish more of these DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.